It says here, please tell what resources to consult about organic farming. And how did you learn to grow such huge vegetables? Organic farming is really not very complicated. It's very logical. And it's in that lecture that I gave, a little bit about it. I did recently write a book on it, but it's not finished yet. Amazing Discoveries will probably bring it out at some stage. But there's lots of information on the web, and there are lots of good books on organic farming in bookstores. The basics of organic farming is you feed the soil and the organisms in the soil, and they in turn feed the plant. And it's quite long to talk about that, so I suggest you get a good book on it and start with that, and then as you get more information, you start implementing it.